Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another tutoring lesson. In today's video, we're going to learn the Spanish numbers from 4000 to 4999, or los números del 4000 al 4999. Remember, always pronounce after me and write the word as I'm writing it down. Now, if you are getting stuck, or for whatever reason things are not working out where you can't remember it, just replay it over and over and over again as many times as you can so that you can understand this information. For thousands, the 4000 to 4999. Now, the prefix we will be using for the numbers between 4000 to 499 are the words cuatro mil. 4000. All right, so let's look at some examples, some random numbers. I already put the prefixes for every number of the 4000s, so we know that for the 4000 it's just 4000. 4001 it's 4001. 4009 is 4009. 4010 is 4010. 4015 is 4015. 4023 is 4023. 4023. 4032 is 4032. 4048 is 4048. 4059 is 4059. 4100 is 4100. Again, 4000 or 4100 is 4100. 4101 is 4101. 4168 is 4168. 4233 is 4233. 4344 is 4344. 4344. 4486 is 4486. 4486. Let's go to the next set of numbers. 4593 is 4593. 4672 is 4600. 72. 4672. 4786 is 4700. 86. 4786. 4888 is 4800. 80 y 8. 4,888. The last two are 4,995 is 4,995. And the last one is 4,999, which is 4,999. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of the 4,000s. Remember to replay this video as many times as you can. Also, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. This will help the algorithm for more content similar to this. Thank you and have a great one. We'll see you in the 5,000s.